All right, hi guys. So this is just something that came to mind while going about my day today. Where since I want to learn sysadmin, so I had this thought of prompting Claude AI so that it gives me a roadmap. So basically, I'm beginning the prompt and I'm just recording that. Hopefully, this is going to be a walkthrough process. I will try to leave the errors in the recording so that you get to see and understand what's happening. All right, so I'm starting with the prompt. I'm just typing it as it comes to mind. So I think that's fine. So I'm saying it's a senior sysadmin on enterprise company, and I have a mini PC with low specs that I use to run Windows Server 2019. Now I want you to give me a practical roadmap on some of these basic terminologies you hear a lot. I'm also letting you know that I have a separate PC that I can use to do RDP and all that. So that's what I'm currently using to record the video so that I can get a way of simulating PCs and users as well with my basic limited resources. Let's see what it gives me. We'll take it from there.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's done. So guys, I will review what he has given me. I'm sure he has assumed some things, so we'll see what is implementable and what isn't. See you guys, we'll catch up.